Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the missing About tab on YouTube channels. So let's dive right in. First, open up the YouTube app on your phone. And now, I will simply open up any channel right here. Okay, so in the older versions of the application, the About tab used to be right under the subscribe button. But don't worry, it's still there. In order to open the About section of someone's channel, simply tap on this arrow. It's right under the channel's name. And when we click on the arrow, it is going to open the About section where we can see the channel description, when that YouTube channel was created, and how many views it has in total, and some links that the creator put there. So the tab is not missing in the new update, it's just hidden. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.